Hey guys, so this video is going to be talking about how to match the equation of a line along with the graph. Now, there's a way to do this very simple, very easy, very quickly. There's two things that you need to pay attention to. First, you want to pay attention to what is the y-intercept. Second, you want to pay attention to what is your slope. Now, hopefully what you do know by now about equations of lines. If not, you need to go back and maybe do a little bit of basic review first. But the main thing that's going to help you with this specific type of problem is understanding what slope-intercept form looks like. So this is slope-intercept form here, y equals mx plus b, where m, as far as the equation is concerned, represents your slope, and b represents your y-intercept. And as long as your equation's put into slope-intercept form, excuse me, this one needs a y, I just realized. As long as your equation's in slope-intercept form, you should know what your slope and your y-intercept is, and it makes it a lot easier to graph your line or to find the correct graph for it. So always look at your y-intercept first. So that's the plus or minus number hanging out the back of the equation. So if I look at A, I have this plus 6 back here. That is my y-intercept. So that means if I'm looking at the origin, I can go straight up 6, and I'm going to go up 6 because it's a plus 6. Had it said minus 6, I would have gone down from the origin. So that means my line is going to cross the y-intercept at a positive 6. So if I'm looking at my answer choices here, A, B, C, and D, I want to look which ones look like they cross at a positive 6. A could possibly be it. B definitely can. There's no line crossing up here. It's crossing all the way down here, so I can automatically cross out B. C, 6, that could possibly be 6. And if I look at D, this one is out of the question since it crosses down here in the negative. Second thing to look at, so I know if A or C is my correct answer choice, I'm going to look at my slope. My slope is right here. It's the coefficient of the x term. So here I have a 3. That is a positive 3. Now, what I know about slope is that a positive slope goes in this direction. Okay, rises to the right, falls to the left. This is a positive slope. Negative slope goes in this direction, right? So it goes up to the left, down to the right. My equation has a positive 3, so I want the one that looks like this. Think about climbing up stairs. Which one of my lines looks like I'm climbing up stairs, A or C? And out of these two, they both cross about 6 here, but A has a positive slope, C has a negative slope, so I know that A is going to be my correct answer. And if I use that to take a look at B, we can go through this pretty quickly. First, look at your y-intercept, plus 5. All right, so I'm looking for what crosses at a positive 5. A here could possibly be it. B could not be it since it crosses down here at the bottom. C could possibly be it since it crosses up top. D is out of the question. Now, when I look at my slope, here it says a negative 2x. So my slope is negative. Negative slope is going downhill, downstairs. Out of A and B, C is the one that it's looking like it's going down. So since it crosses at a positive 5 and has a negative slope, C would be the best match for that particular equation. So you can use that process again. Look at your y-intercept, look at your slope, and those two things can really help you understand a lot of things when it comes to graphing. I hope this helped. That's all for this video.